welcome to the vlog. Right, we're local today. We've just popped down to Cawsands where Swarco have installed more chargers. These weren't up and running a while ago, but they seem to be all good to go now. There's quite a few of these appearing all over Cornwall now. I'm assuming it's part of a some sort of incentive they've been having, because Cornwall Council wouldn't do anything unless they were being paid for it. But anyway, here we go. Let's just see how we go along with this. So I'm not sure if you can see this. So we are here. Let's try that one. Oh great, it's logged me out. 2 seconds. Right, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it has actually connected. Oh, sorry, the dogs are pulling the lead. So I didn't realise that I wasn't recording the actual connection, but we have connected, and we've been on a charge of 35 minutes, and it's £1.52 so far, 2.71 kilowatts. So so it does work, but you will need signal. That's a definite. Yeah, so as I say, you need signal or a Swarco card to get it to work. It took me a couple of attempts because it had logged me out, but yeah, so let's go and have a quick look and see while we're here what Cawsands has to offer. So, walkabout, looked at the chargers. They do work, just about. So, dogs are being a pain. There's actually a few people here, isn't there?
Yeah, it's lovely. People, like I said, people don't want to be stuck indoors.
Hey?
People don't want to be stuck indoors.
No, this is it. No, we're just outside our normal haunt. Just outside the Bay restaurant. Tried to get some cake, there isn't any.
You not got any pudding?
No, they've got nothing at all. None of the cakes are all gone. So,
No pudding on their menu?
Oh no, I didn't want to. There's nothing served till whatever time. So, but no, it's all good. It's all good. Right, we're going to have our tea, and then we're going to pop back to the car and make sure it has got some charge in it.
I wanted some ice cream.
You wanted some ice cream? There isn't any ice cream. I don't know. Right, back at the car. There's two of us charging, so I think we've been here over an hour-ish. Let's have a look, see what it says. So we've been here an hour and 15 minutes. My charging lead is only a 4.2 kilowatt lead, which is a big boo-boo I made when I ordered it. But anyway, let's just show you what's going on. Right, I don't know if you can see this. So 1 hour 15 minutes, 5.82 kilowatt, and then let's just tell this to stop charging. How are we diddling? It's sending the stop request. Yes, there we go. And it's gone green, and we're all good to go. So aside from me being just a little bit facetious earlier I should say, Drive EV2 is a £3,625,000 project extending the network of electric EV charger points throughout Cornwall, enable the transition to more effective ultra-low emissions, and is part funded by the European Regional Development Fund and HM government. So there you go, my little quirk about if they wouldn't do it unless they were getting paid for it. There's an element of truth, but there you go. Anyway, we're going to head home, so Lucy's going to wave goodbye. And this is the Cawsands Chargers. Back soon. Bye for now.